Every day, we make countless decisions, some small, others life-changing. Each decision, through a delicate balance of risk and reward, can shape our future in profound ways. In business, senior executives face up to 35,000 decisions daily, constantly weighing certainty against risk, or short-term gains against long-term outcomes. While some choices are straightforward, many require navigating complex probabilities and uncertainties. For today's leaders, decision-making lies at the heart of success or failure. The right decision can drive billions in value and drive transformative growth. In a world of fast-moving markets and high stakes, how can business leaders ensure they're making the best possible decisions? How can businesses make the right decisions right now?
Most senior executives intuitively believe that making better, faster decisions leads to better business outcomes. Pressure around decision-making comes from not knowing whether you're making the best decision possible. Neither decision pathways, meaning how decisions are made, or decision rights, who makes a decision, is clear or defined. Does the organization actively manage data as a decision-making asset, or is it more of a liability where data is unreliable, ungoverned, and hard to use? The ability of an organization to manage data as an asset and effectively leverage that asset in the context of workflow to make high-quality decisions is either the Achilles heel of the organization or a true competitive advantage.
Good data is foundational to decision making. You can't make good decisions if you don't have good data. The demand for good, clean data has gone off the charts. So everybody wants data. People don't necessarily know why they want data. One of the things we're investing in very much here at JLR is how do we clean that data in order to get it to a point that it can then be manipulated for onward use and optimal decision making. You've got to have brilliant skills and capabilities, and those skills and capabilities have got really in demand, particularly again since the most excitement we've seen around AI. Sourcing and looking after talent and investing in people is also one of our big challenges.
Many factors influence decision-making. Some are external, like macroeconomic volatility, but the largest factor by far is data, generally the lack of timely, reliable, and trusted data. The only way to turn data into a strategic asset is by leveraging technology designed and optimized for decision-making. First of all, it creates a single source of truth for decision-making from the vast amount of data available. The single source of truth would be constantly updated with the most current information. The technology seamlessly orchestrates the transfer of such data into scenario planning and analysis models where multiple what-if options can be generated to optimize decision-making. Lastly, it creates connections across siloed processes to optimize enterprise decision-making.
JLR's mission, I think, is really clear if you've been able to see our reimagined strategy. That's all about how do we respond to electrification, how do we take our house of brands to market in a way that's really going to delight our customers and clients. When you think about digital transformation and then the role that data and AI can play in that, we can really be enabling of how we deliver and execute that strategy. This is not something you do overnight. This is something that needs a clear roadmap. We're really putting a lot of thought and consideration into what we're doing in what order and how we're unlocking that strategy. In that sense, the data strategy is touching all aspects of what the organisation is currently working on. It's really trying to ensure that all of the leaders in those particular spaces have got the right data with then the right type of digital assets in order to make the best decisions. It's also so that they can understand, are they fit and ready for AI, and what's that going to mean for business process change, for how people feel in the workplace, and what other investments may be required in underlying IT infrastructure and platforms to be ready to then embrace and take that next journey of our transformation forward. Our data strategy has also been fundamental in how we consider forecasting here at JLR and predicting the performance of the business. We see supply chain disruption, we see other things, and therefore often we have to quite rapidly be able to scenario plan. That scenario planning obviously requires data coming from multiple different sources being connected in one trusted location. Those sources could be our commercial wholesale vehicle performance data, it could be how many vehicles have we been able to produce and manufacture, and then we have to check, are we able to hit our original plan? And if we can't, it's very important that we have then a process for how we would update our financial systems, continue to run and model the performance of the organization. So the data strategy here is really about making that as agile, but also as reliable as possible in how we're running and enabling the process.
Technology is evolving rapidly, and AI is now at the forefront. AI will impact decision-making in three fundamental ways. The first is something previously mentioned. It's the topic of transparency. AI will provide visibility into the origins of data, and as a result, trust in data will grow. The second is democratization of decision-making across the organization. With the right insights at their fingertips, people across different levels and departments will be empowered to make informed decisions. The third is generating insights that are out of reach for the human brain to process. AI will see patterns and anomalies in data that humans can't. Such patterns and anomalies will be insights that can be used for better decision-making.
So I think AI will transform everything. So I think that AI will transform our customer experience, but I also think it will transform our employee experience. Specifically on our customer experience, I'm really excited about what AI can do. It can offer extremely personalized offerings that are really tailored to who you are as an individual, which will really assist us on our modern luxury experience. On the people experience in the workplace, we've talked about people love. And really what we want at JLR is our workforce to come in and feel like they're working on exciting, creative, engaging parts of their role such that they really can then deliver that modern luxury and reimagined strategy. And to do that, what AI enables us to do is to leverage all the components of automation, which mean we can then remove the mundane tasks and activities from people's roles.
As trust grows, more time will be spent on decision-making versus data validation. The only way to do this is to have the right technology that can effectively manage, curate, and present data in a way that is optimized for decision-making. So those organizations that figure out how to effectively harness, analyze, and connect data that is curated for decision-making will be in a position to make better, faster decisions than their competitors. It will be a source of competitive advantage.